Hello everyone again and welcome to Python tips. So today we'll be continuing with NumPy, where we'll be looking at how to generate random numbers using NumPy. Random here simply means numbers that are not easily predictable. So before we can start doing that, first of all we need to import NumPy and then we alias it as NP, and then we'll start by generating random numbers like floats. So we already saw these data types. So if I want to do random numbers that are in terms of floats, I'll just do np dot random dot run, and then we should generate floats uh, less than or equals to 1 but greater than what 0. So I can run this. So if I want just a 1D random float, we will see that every time I run this, it will keep changing because I did mention random numbers are not easily predictable. As well, you can generate random integers. So here, same like the random floats, you do np.random .run in to indicate that you are generating integers. So if I want to generate maybe a single random integer, I can do np.run in 1 to 10. So every time I run this, these numbers will keep changing. You see, you can go 4 now. So if I want an array of random integers, I'll do np.run in one number from 1 to 10, but size of what? 5. So it will keep changing every time I run this code. Now, at times we want to generate numbers specified within some distribution. For those of us who have taken classes in statistics, we will see this as we move along. A standard normal distribution is a distribution with mean 0 and a standard deviation 1. So if you want to do that, you can do np.random.run n. Same as if you want to customize the mean and standard deviation, you can do normal. And then if you want to generate a uniform distribution, you can do uniform. So let's say I want a standard normal distribution. I will just do np.random.run n. If I run this, I will keep having a number, a standard normal distribution within this because I just want 3 of them. So if I keep running this, so here is saying that I want a normal distribution with mean 1 and standard deviation of what? 1. I can change the mean to, I can change it here to 2, can change it to 4, anything, and then I run it. All we have to note is that all these values will keep changing every time. Now, if I want to generate numbers that are reproducible, meaning that for my experiment, I don't want those values to keep changing as I have up here. The first thing you need to do is first of all to do np.random.what seed. Then you can put a number. You can give any number here, maybe 2, anything. But all you have to notice that it will generate numbers that will not be alternating as we had earlier. If I run this, you see that these numbers are not changing. Same here. If I want this again, maybe let me print this. Let me get this code here, down here, and try to do this standard normal distribution again. If I keep running, you see it's going to be fixed. It's not going to change. So at times you want to maybe generate numbers without replacement as well as shuffling those numbers. You can do choice as well as what shuffle. Let's say I have this data and I want to get random sample without replacement. I can just do random.choice. I pass in that data. I want the size to be 3 and I want without replacement. So replace is equals to 4. If you want it with replacement, you can replace this with what? With true. If I run this, I'll keep having those random numbers without replacement because I want the size to be 3. It will keep changing, but I'll keep having a 3 all the times. Same with if I want to do shuffling, I can keep running this. You see that these numbers here will keep shuffling all the times. That was it for today's lesson. Guys, keep following for more tips. Tomorrow we'll be looking at pandas. You know, pandas is used a lot, especially when we are working with data frames. Data frames is the regular, data that we can read in if you already have the data collected. Thank you so much, guys.